I think all games should go into the crusher and get crushed across America tonight. Kids be throwing tomatoes at me, rocks. Hello, everybody. Bob Carr here with the Bob Carr Show. In this episode, I got my son back in the studio. Gabriel, how you doing, buddy?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm doing great. What you been working on? I know you've been working on your studio at home, but what have you been putting out?
You just put the walls up in the studio, and then we just finished doing the guitar.
All your props?
Yep.
Got all that taken care of?
Yep. It looks really good in camera, so I'm ready to go to...
A lot of people liking it?
Yeah. I had some comments on the last live stream I did, and most people are saying that the room looks a lot bigger now.
So, Gabriel, tell me, what's the latest game, the hottest game going right now that you're playing around with?
I was playing GTA for a long time, but people was asking for different games called CS:GO. It's a police and terrorist like game, and then like you can choose between like both of them.
Is that something you're playing with students, classmates, friends here in the United States and in Brazil, or just in Brazil?
Yeah, some friends like from United States, like they play a lot. From Brazil, I only have like 2 friends that like play the same game, because most of them doesn't have a PC.
All game applications in Brazil, all English. They don't have anything in Portuguese, correct?
Yeah.
All English?
Yeah.
And most kids your age, 16, 17, 18, they get English lessons on a daily basis in school, correct?
Yeah, it's just a requirement in Brazil. So,
okay, so the younger generation in Brazil is coming up with English. They all have at least an hour a day of English?
Yeah, at least 1 hour and 1 hour and a half of English.
Because you used to have it when you were in private school there, right?
Yeah.
I got you. Okay. Gabriel, what year is GTA 6 going to come out?
I've been watching the news of like GTA and Rockstar games and stuff. I'll be really happy if it came out like this year or next year.
Think it'll be out in 2022?
Maybe.
23?
Maybe 24, 23.
Okay. So it might not be out this calendar year for Christmas, but it might be out in 2023.
Yep.
So when kids are using gaming software in Brazil that's in English, you think that's helping them learn English at a quicker rate?
Yeah, actually, I had English in school, and like I used to like English, you know.
You look forward to having your English course every day.
Yeah.
Your lesson every day.
Yeah,
why you think that?
English is universal language.
Right.
And if you know English, you can go everywhere because at least
pretty much.
Yeah.
Everybody speaks English to some point.
Yep. So I think like what mostly helped me with English is playing video games in English. So
well, you sure spend enough time at our house with games. 23 hours a day. I think every time you come out is when you got to go to the bathroom. How does someone get a hold of you on Twitch if they want to reach out to you?
Just go to Twitch and search it up for It's Your Boy Gabe.
Sounds good, sir. Appreciate you coming into the studio today. And this wraps up another episode of the Bob Carr Show. Hit the like button if you like this episode, and we'll talk to you next week on another episode of the Bob Carr Show.